Hello friends. In our last video we saw how to use for loop in Arduino to repeat a set of code for a certain number of times. Now in this video let's make a program to move vehicle in a rectangular fashion. Now let's take this full rectangle. So what we are going to do first? We are going to move first forward. And let's say I'm going to move this forward for 2 seconds. So I already have this forward for 2 seconds. I'm going to talk about action and then finally I'll go talk about the for. Okay, so I have done this action. Now here I need to turn. So a right turn, 90-degree angle turn. So we have done that. And now I'm looking down here. So I have to go down. Again I have to go forward. But this time I have to go forward less amount of time. So I will copy this. I cannot repeat it because the amount of time is changing. So I have to write it again. Let's say 1500 milliseconds. And now I reach this end and here I need to take again a right turn. So taking a right turn, 90 degrees right turn is same as this. Okay, so we have taken a right angle turn. Now here I am looking left now. I have to go straight again for 2 seconds. So this is same. So I'm not writing. Let's see whether I am repeating it. Then I reach here. I have to take another right turn 90 degrees. So I already have this. So I have to perform this action. Perfect. And then I have to go forward for less amount of time, which is here. Perfect. And then take a right turn, which is down here. So which means I am repeating this full action 2 times. So I already written that inside the action part of for loop. Now let's talk about the variable. I will initiate I to 0, but I need to repeat this 2 times, which means initially I is 0 and then I will become 1. When I becomes 2, I need to stop, which means I should be less than 2. And that is the only change I will do in my square program here. In action, long arm was there. I have added the short arm. So that is my action. And then finally stop. So let's understand it, because my code is going to repeat 2 times and my initial value of variable is 0. The condition is I less than 2. If my initial value was 1, then I would have used I less than or equal to 2. Why? Because then I will be 1 in the beginning and then I will be 2 for the second repetition. So I equal to 2 also is a valid repetition, but greater than 2 is not valid. So I have said I less than or equal to 2. Okay. So depending upon what is the initial value, our condition will change. We need to understand that. You can use anyways. Generally, the standard is we initialize I to 0 and hence I will use I less than 2. In our next video, we will make a few more programs using for loop.